Plants are living things. Plants are sources of food for humans and animals. We must take care of the plants in our local environment. We must plant trees. Let us plant and protect trees in our home and school areas. Plan to plant a tree on your birthday. Care for it. Water it daily. Observe it as it grows.
We are discussing the flower. As you can see, this is a diagram that resembles a flower. In the flower, there are two parts, the male part and the female part. In the male part, it consists of the anthers, filament, and pollen grains. And on the female parts of a flower, there is the stigma, style, ovary, and ovules. The male parts of a flower are also known as the stamen, and the female part of a flower is also known as pistil. Let's go back to our diagram. On the diagram, as I have said, this is the male part of a flower. This part is known as the anthers. The main function of the anthers is to produce pollen grains that land on the stigma. When the pollen grains land on the stigma, they go down and get fertilized in the style. And also the style's main function is to hold up the stigma. After fertilization, the ovary becomes the fruit. And in the ovary, there are the ovules, which are later fertilized into this to become seeds. Let's go back to the male part. This part here that holds up the anthers is known as the filament. The filament is the only function is to hold up the anthers. We go to the external part of the flower, the petals. The petals' main function is to attract insects in only insect-pollinated flowers.